dolphin as it starts to swim. Little baby dolphin swimming all around, jumping and diving, making such a sound, squeaking and clicking, having so much fun. Ooh. Little baby dolphin playing in the sun. Up and down and all around, baby dolphin loves to play and make silly sounds, blowing bubbles in the water, chasing little fish. What a joy to watch this little dolphin swish. Little baby dolphin swimming all around, jumping and diving, making such a sound, squeaking and clicking, having so much fun. Dolphin playing in the sun. Mama Dolphin watches as her baby grows so strong.